Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 9, part A physics, and this is the part 1 key answers of practice paper number 9. So let us answer that is physics part in this video. So the first question is like this. An electric motor takes 4 ampere from 200 volt electric source. The power of the motor is dash. So one electric motor is there. So it takes 4 ampere of current, and it works at a potential difference of 200 volts. Now we have to calculate what is the power of the motor. So now let us answer this question. So now they have given I is equal to 4 ampere. So V is equal to 200 volts. Now we have to calculate the power. So power is equal to V into I. So P is equal to 200 into I is 4. So power is equal to 800 watt. So what is the power? Power is equal to 800 watt. So among this one, so the right option is option D, 800 watt. So for first question, the right answer is option D, 800 watt. So now let us move for the second question. So in the second question, they have given that is an a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor is voltmeter, cell, ammeter, rheostat. So among these four options, the right answer is a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor is option B, cell. So for the second question, option B, cell is the right answer. So now let us move for the second main. So in the second main, they have given the second main third question is, so what is that question? So define 1 watt. So let us define 1 watt. So how to define 1 watt? So 1 watt is defined as if 1 joule of work is done, if 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, if 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then the power is said to be 1 watt. So this is answer for the second main third question. Now let us move for the third main. So let us answer the third main first question. So third main is that is it is an numerical problem. An electric lamp whose resistance is 40 ohm and a conductor 8 ohm resistance are connected in series to 12 volts battery in an electric circuit. So both 40 ohm and 40 ohm electric lamp, 40 ohm resistance electric lamp, and a conductor of 8 ohm resistance, both are connected in series to a 12 volts battery. Now calculate, first we have to calculate the total resistance and the current flowing through the circuit. One is we have to calculate the total circuit resistance and the total circuit current. So let us calculate both of them. So in this question what they have given? They have given the total resistance and the total current. R1 is given as 40 ohm and R2 is given as 8 ohm. Since both of them are connected in series, RS is equal to R1 plus R2. So RS, resistor connected in series, is equal to R1 is 40 and R2 is 8. Therefore, total circuit resistance will be equal to 40 plus 8, 48 ohm. This 48 ohm is the total circuit resistance. Now we have to calculate the total current. So R is equal to 48 ohm, V is equal to 12 volts, I is equal to question mark. So I is equal to, according to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V is 12 divided by R is 48. 12 ones are 12 fours. So I is equal to 1 by 4 we got. 1 by 4 is 0.25. Therefore, the total circuit current is 0.25 ampere. So like this we have to calculate the total current and the total resistance. So now let us move for the fifth question. So the fifth question is, what are the disadvantages of connecting electrical appliances in series? So let us answer this question now. So let us answer fifth question. So disadvantages of connecting in connecting electrical appliances in series. So let us make a list. First one is, the first disadvantage is, if one appliance fails to work, others also fails to work. If one fails, others also fails to work. This is the first one. Then the second one is, so each appliance will not get full voltage. Then the third one is, current will be same at each appliance. Then total circuit resistance increases. So these are all the disadvantage when we are connecting electrical appliances in series. So now let us move for the fourth main. This is sixth question in that one A. So let us see what is that fourth question. Sixth question. What is the relation between current and resistance? So let us see what is the difference between current and resistance. Then one more question is given. 100 joules of heat is produced in each second in a 4 ohm resistor. Find the potential difference across the resistor. So let us answer both the questions. So ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೀಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ resistance and current? So resistance is inversely proportional to current. So resistance is inversely proportional to current. As resistance increases, current decreases. As resistance decreases, current increases. Therefore, both of them are inverse proportional to each other. Then second question they have given, so heat produced they have given, H is equal to 100 joules each second, time is equal to 1 second. So resistance is equal to 4 ohm. Now we have to calculate what is the potential difference. So we have to calculate we have to calculate. ಸೊ ವಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನಂತ, ಎಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಟಿ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ. ಸೊ ಎಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಐ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಐ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ಟಿ. ಆರ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್. So H is equal to V square by R into T. So now let us calculate V square now. So V square is equal to, you multiply R here, H into R divided by T. So that implies, so what is H? 100 into what is resistance? 4 divided by time is 1. So H is equal to, so we got H is equal to that is V square is equal to 100 into 4. So V square is equal to 100, 4s are 400. So V is equal to square root of 400. So V is equal to square root of 400 is 20. Therefore, the potential difference across the resistor is equal to 20 volts. Therefore, the potential difference across the resistor will be equal to 20 volts. So like this we have to calculate. Now let us move for the seventh question. Will current flow more easily through a thick wire or a thin wire of the same material when connected to the same source Y? So this is one question. Then show how would you connect three resistors each of resistance 6 ohm so that the combination has a resistance of 9 ohm and 4 ohm. So let us answer 7th A. Will current flow more easily through a thick wire? So illondu thick wire ide. I have taken a thick wire. This is a thick wire. And one more wire I will take. This is a thin wire. So he told, will current flow more easily a thick wire or a thin wire? Idu thick wire idu. This is thick wire and this is thin wire. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಥಿಕ್ ವೈರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಆಸ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. Therefore, so in thick wire, because resistance and area and resistance are inversely proportional, resistance and current also inversely proportional. So in thick wire, current will flow easily, because as area increases, resistance decreases. Both are inversely proportional. As resistance decreases, current increases. Therefore, through thick wire, current will flow easily. So now let us move for the next B question. So there are three resistors. R1 is equal to 6 ohm, R2 is equal to 6 ohm, and R3 is also 6 ohm. All the three resistors will have the same resistance. Now we have to get 9 ohm resistance now. So to get 9 ohm resistance, how these three are connected? So let us calculate. First let us connect R1, R2 in parallel. R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. So let us connect them in parallel now. So this is R1 and this is R2. So both of them are connected in 6 ohm. This is 6 ohm. And another 6 ohm resistor are connected in series. So R1 and R2 are connected in parallel with R3 in series. So first what shall we do? First let us calculate resistance in parallel. 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. So 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. So 1 over Rp is equal to, both the denominators are same, add the numerator. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are. Reciprocal is Rp, reciprocal is 3. So total circuit resistance when both 6 ohm resistors are connected in parallel 3 ohm. So ಇವೆರಡರದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 3 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಗ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ತ್ರೀ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಓಮು, ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಓಮು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 9 ಓಮ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 9 ಓಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ two 6 ohm resistors are connected in parallel with one 6 ohm resistor in series. So like this we have to connect it. Innond question ide, and one more question is there, that in that question we have to get 4 ohm resistance. So let us see how to connect them. So in the second question, to get 4 ohm resistance, so let us connect. So this is R1, this is R2. So both this is 6 ohm R1, this is also 6 ohm R2. So these two are connected in series with another 6 ohm resistor in parallel. So like this we have to connect it. So now R1 RS is equal to R1 plus R2. So RS is equal to R1 is 6 and R2 is also 6. So we are getting 12 ohm. So 12 ohm bantu. Agar iveredu ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 12 ohm. These two are in parallel with this one. Therefore 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over Rs plus 1 over R3. So 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over 12 plus 1 over 6. So 1 over Rp is equal to, for 6 and 12, the LCM will be 12. In 12 ones are 12 ones are. In 6 ones are 2s. So 1 over Rp is equal to 3 by 12. So 3 ones are 3 fours. So reciprocal is Rp, reciprocal is 4. So we got 4 ohm resistance. To get 4 ohm resistance, two resistors are connected in series with one resistor in parallel. Like this, there should be a series parallel combination. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to practice paper number 9 part A physics. In the next video we are going to answer for part B chemistry of practice paper number 9. So till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.